Welcome back to another video, everyone. We are coming to you from St. Louis, but we're not gonna be here long because we're packing up, getting ready to roll. I like the idea of rolling into a fourth assignment for 2023. Started the year in Memphis for about a month and a half, took about a month off, spent a little over a month in Fort Worth, and St. Louis was a little short of a month. I called a few adjusting firms yesterday, and the only thing that was available was Washington State. I don't think I want to do that right now. I have gotten alerts this week for Minnesota and Chicago. I didn't reply to those. However, I did reply to one in Colorado, but I haven't heard back yet. Getting road ready starts with packing the back of the Chevy. RV living, camper life, life on the road, mobile existence, whatever you want to call it, has a learning curve to it. And along the way you learn some things, you pick up some tools that make things easier. And I'm about to use two of the tools that I picked up along the way, made by Ridgid. The mobile air pump and this big guy. Or maybe with any luck we won't have to use our mobile air pump. These tires take 65 pounds. And this one is about 55. Had one tire, needed 8 pounds. This takes care of that, no problem. Takes a lithium battery, same one this takes. I think they call this an impact driver. You can totally take tires off with it. But what I use is to raise my jacks. Originally, I had a hand crank. It took a few cranks. This, but this is a game changer for getting set up, for getting ready to ride. Last one. All right, I believe we are ready to ride. Everything should be good. There's a little bit of my artwork. I believe we are ready to hook up. Ladders are secure. We have us a couple spares in case we have tire problems on the camper, along with one on the trailer. Last year I had 4 blowouts on a trip to Florida. Needless to say, all have been replaced and I have a few spare. We're all hooked up. The question is, where are we going? I was thinking I might get a phone call about an assignment. I've already stayed an extra day, which I need to pay for. But the office is gone to lunch at the moment. There's the bridges we saw in the beginning of this video. Pretty epic drone footage, I say. 5-star. Gamecocks ended the 2023 class with a 5-star recruit named Nicholas Harbor. This guy's a giant with Olympic track speed. But that's not what this video is about. I'm stopped in Kentucky, fueling up with the cheapest gas I've seen in a while. Look at that. I paid like $3.33 earlier today. I've got a few alerts from adjusting firms since I've left St. Louis. South Central, Oklahoma, Ohio. I'm in Kentucky on 24, a little outside of Nashville, and here's kind of the thing. Once I get past Nashville, I'm not turning around. I'm going home. I'll be there for Mother's Day. However, until I get to Nashville, I can be influenced. So here's what we've done. We've just fueled up, and I called an RV park that's on this same exit that's only like $40-something a night. So we're gonna head there, set the camper up, like Brief Stay set the camper up. We're not gonna be pulling out tables and rugs, slide the slide out. And sometime between now and late morning, we'll figure out what we're gonna do, if we're gonna go home or we're gonna keep on working. And we'll wrap this video up and upload it. But let's get to the campgrounds first. Beamer and I are at the Duck Creek. So we were headed home because I didn't have anywhere better that wanted me. And then we started getting alerts. These cat deployments, they do keep you busy. They really do. But I'm getting a better and better workflow with each deployment. And yeah, so I'm ready for another one. But if it don't work out, I'm cool with that too, because I ain't broke. Thank you all for making it to the end of the video. Where am I going next? I don't know yet. You'll have to subscribe and watch the next video. Be sure to hit the bell so you'll get a notification when the next video comes up. But until next time, everyone, please be safe out there and keep on trucking.